And communication literacy, go, go, go. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In this video, we're going to look at some concepts for teachers taking the Communication Literacy MTEL 1 reading and writing exams. This is for you if you've been struggling with these exams. Use this content to help you get better at the test and pass. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Tell me when you read this over. You all agree that these are main idea, organization of information, right? These are all main idea questions, right? Do you see that this is a question on what is the main idea of the passage? And this is one on paragraph. Everyone see the difference? Give me a thumbs up. When it says passage, we're looking for the what. What are we looking for? Passage level main idea questions means we have to be able to identify the what. Let's just write down the big idea, right? Paragraph level questions involve what? Paragraph level questions involve what? This is mainly the author's main point. Sometimes paragraph level questions is the author's 2 cents. So Michaela, that's what I was trying to communicate. A lot of times when you're getting to a paragraph level question, when you're analyzing that paragraph, a lot of times when we see the but, or maybe we see the however, this is where the author gets to their point. So that's all. When we're asked a question on what's the main idea of a paragraph, we want to look for these clues on all the ideas in that paragraph. When is the main point? Yeah, so whenever we see however or but in the writing, or whenever you use it in your writing, like in writing a thesis, this is going to indicate something really important that you want the reader to know, or the author wants you to know. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you need help on your communication literacy exams, whether it's reading or writing or both, check out a GOHacademy workshop at GOHacademy.com. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Everyone have a great day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.